It says that the figure 3 shows a container in the shape of a hollow inverted right circular cone, and the radius of the base is 12 and the height is 10. And when water starts flowing into this, the amount of water should also form a smaller cone which has a radius of r and a height of h at any given time t. So let's try to reconstruct this diagram. So here's the base of the cone, and so this height would be 12, and the base radius would, sorry, this height would be 30, and the base radius is 12 and this is 30. And when you have this as r, this would be h. So we can say tan theta, or you can take the concept of similar triangles. That should be r over h, which is also 12 over 30. Therefore, r over h is 2 over 5. So r is 2h over 5. We have found r now. So that gives us the volume of the amount of water. So that's 1/3 pi r square h. Let's sub in 1/3 pi times 2h over 5 square times h. So this should give you 1/3 pi 4h square over 25 times h. So that's 1/3 pi into 4h cube over 25. So this simplifies into the form which they want, 4 pi h cube over 75. So that becomes the volume of the amount of water at time t. So part B, they also say that water flows at a rate of 2 pi cubic centimeters per second. So find the rate of change of height over time, which is dh by dt at 1.5 minutes. First, we need to find what is dh by dt. So they tell you that dv by dt is 2 pi. That's 2 pi. dv by dt is 2 pi. dv by dh should be 4 pi over 75 times 3h square. So which means 4 pi or h square over 25. That's dv by dh. So we can use the chain rule. dv by dt equals to dv by dh times dh by dt. So 2 pi equals to 4 pi h square over 25 dh by dt. So let's make this the subject. dh by dt would be then, dh by dt would be 2 pi into 25 over 4 pi times h square. So this would be 25 over 2h square. So dh by dt will be 25 over 2h square. That would be the answer in terms of h. However, at 1.5 minutes, the amount of volume of water that is already in the container will be 2 pi per second. They say per second 2 pi. So how many seconds does it mean? 1.5 into 60. So this should give you 180 pi. That's the amount of volume of water. And now we can use 4 pi h cube over 75 equal to 180 pi. This gives you h cube is 180 pi into 75 divided by 4 pi. Pi and pi cancels off. H is 180 times 75 over 4 power of 1/3. Let's find this value. 3375, and then the cubic root of that should be 15. So h equals to 15 at this time. So now we can find dh by dt is 25 over 2 times 225. So that's 25 over 2 times 225, which should be dh by dt is 1 over 18 centimeters per second. So that is the rate of change of height for the part B, which is also 4 marks.